midwives, educators, and advocates, and anyone who is passionate about maternal health. Lisbon is calling. The world's biggest conference for midwives is almost here, and guess what? The early bird registration is about to close, and you have roughly 1 month to make payment to enjoy discounted fees. Some of your colleagues have even registered, and they've sent me their invitation letters for me to help them with their visa application. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? But many of you promised me in my TikTok comment section when I posted about this last year somewhere in November. Let me read some of your comments you sent to me on my TikTok comment section. Afia Yeboah, my sister, said I'll be there in Lisbon, and I replied by saying if you don't come, and she laughed it off. Samira Abdullah said I'll be there in Lisbon, and Faith Midi also asked what about student midwives? In fact, everyone is supposed to be there. Whether you are a student midwife, whether you are a student nurse, a veteran midwife, a nurse, a doctor, or anyone who is passionate about learning, engaging, meeting new people, and also attending one of the greatest conferences in the world. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step guide on how you can also register before the discounted fees disappears. And note that myself and my team will be there live in color. We'll be there to talk to you, interview you. You've seen me in my videos, but hey, we can meet in person and do more videos together. My name is Manuel. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Alright, so before we start, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like the video, and leave us a comment, okay? You can also check other conferences that we've previously talked about on this channel. And also, if you're a midwife and you want to work in so many countries like the USA, Dubai, Australia, New Zealand, wherever you want to work, I have a playlist for you. I've done videos on how you can go about all of these, so do well to check the other videos on this platform. Now, if you're a midwife and you want to attend the biggest midwifery event on the planet, this year we are going to Portugal. All of us are going to Portugal. So all that you have to do is to go onto your search bar and search for ICM 2026. Just add midwives, hit enter, and it will take you to their website. And the first thing that will appear is International Confederation of Midwives. Now, many people ask me, how can I be part? How can I be part? In fact, if you are a midwife and you are registered in your country and you have your license, automatically you are a member. Because let's say in Ghana, we have Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association. If you are part of this association, automatically you are part of the ICM, because you pay your dues to Ghana Nurses and Midwives Association, and they also pay their dues to ICM. So automatically you are part. If you are in the UK, you're probably part of RCM and the Royal College of Midwives, and they are also part of this ICM. So it's the same in almost all the countries. All of us are automatically part of ICM. I'm talking to the midwives, the nurses. You are not part. Okay, now it says that 1 million more midwives. So they are saying that they still need more midwives. Now that people are running from midwifery to nursing because they want to go to certain countries, your bosses are saying you need more 1 million midwives. So don't run away, okay? So this is the 34th ICM Triennial Congress. And the previous one, which was the 33rd one, happened in Bali, Indonesia. You didn't go. You didn't even hear about it. In fact, you don't even know that ICM exists. I'm here to present to you that there is something for you. So midwives, make sure you attend. Now, this will be happening on the 14th to the 18th of June 2024 in Lisbon. And let's read something about them, something small. The ICM Triennial Congress is the largest global gathering for midwives. A unique opportunity to share knowledge, discuss pressing issues, and shape the future of midwifery and sexual, reproductive, maternal, newborn, and adolescent health. So this is the biggest gathering for midwives, as I said, and all the midwives who are doing well on the planet, who are learning, who are in school, who are on the field, will come here to share ideas. I know that one of our very own, Miss Sada, will be presenting at this event. So let's all come together and support her, because I'll be there to support her as well. So if you're a midwife, come here and learn. You are going to engage with colleagues from Canada, United States, Nigeria, South Africa, Indonesia, China. You come together, you meet new people, exchange contacts. That's very important. Network. And when you leave the Congress, you become a new person. So you can read so many stuff about them here. And if you go onto the right hand side, it says deadlines. Now the deadline for early bird registration, look, is 3rd March 2026. I'm making this video on 5th February. So it means that we have less than a month. So you have to be quick. Now, if you want to register, click on the register. It will take some time to load. And here you're going to click online portal to register. Now let's look at the registration guidelines. How to register. Register through the online portal using a new or existing account. So most of us will be new users. So you click on it, you put in your email address, you create a password, then you fill some basic questions about yourself. It says that if you attended or submitted an abstract before, you may already have an account. On behalf of another person, create the account under your name and fill the attendee's details. Add extra items like login, select, manage registration, edit registration, and so on. And after that, a confirmation email with your registration number will be sent after submission. Now, if you are registering in groups as well, you have to first complete the initial registration, and you can keep on adding people to your group as well. Now, this is a short snap of how to register. So let's say I want to register. I'll click in the online portal, and yes, I'm going to create a new account. If I put my email here, then I'll click on create a new account. Then you follow and fill in the process. When you reach a stage, it will ask you which midwifery group do you belong to. If you are in Ghana, you choose Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association, and so on. So that is it. It's very easy to do. And after you have registered, you make your payment, then you get your invitation letter, and we will apply for the visa. Okay, now let's look at the fees, because that is why we are here. We want to know the fees, even if we can go in the first place. Now, if you look on the left side, it says that attendee midwife attendee by income, newly qualified midwife by income rate, student midwife, and accompanying people. And on top, you will see the current fees, the regular and the on-site fees. So let's say I am a midwife. Let me look at how much I'll pay. The attendee stroke midwife is 840 euros as at now, and this will end on 3rd March. In fact, this is the early bird rate. So on this side is the early bird rate, the next one is the regular, and the last one is on site. So you go to Lisbon and pay on site, but this will be difficult for you to do if you don't have a visa already. So the only option we have now is to pay now, between now to March 3rd, or pay between 4th March and 26th of May, which we can get some reduced fees. Now the first one, which is attendee midwife, is for those in developed countries like UK, Canada, Australia, those developed countries. You pay 840 euros. And midwife attendee by income, it means those in developed countries, mostly in Africa and some part of Asia, will pay 630 euros. And if you are a newly qualified midwife, you are going to pay 700 euros. If you are a newly qualified midwife and you find yourself in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Burundi, where again, most of the African countries and some part of Asia, you are going to pay 520 euros. Student midwife are going to pay 400 euros. So if you are a student midwife, note that you can attend. You don't have to sit and say, oh, I'm a student midwife, I'm not part. In fact, when it comes to conferences, students get some reduced fees. So if you are a student, take your chances. If I was a student, I would be attending conference, rough. But we didn't get the information. All right, so accompanying people are going to pay 210 euros. So if, let's say I'm a midwife and I want to go with my husband is going to pay 210 euros. So that when you send your husband, you will be doing conferences in the bedroom after the main event. All right, now let's go into the cancellation and refund policy. But before that, let me go and get some money, and I'll be right back. If you are a nurse and you have your diploma, you can get up to 70 to 80% scholarship. This scholarship is offered by UNICAF and is strictly for nurses who earn their diploma in Africa to earn a BSc online from a top UK university such as Suffolk University. And the good news is that after you've gotten your scholarship, you're going to pay the remaining fees in installments. And all of these are measures to ensure that you get your BSc in nursing. Please don't waste your time. grab this opportunity, go into the comment section, click on the link and apply for your scholarship. And note that this BSc is internationally recognized. Every country in the world will recognize your BSc. And one of the good parts is that this course is only 12 months, and during your graduation you get a chance to travel with your whole family to your graduation in the United Kingdom. And if you're a nurse and probably you have your BSc already and you want to earn a master's, there is a program at Liverpool John Moores University, that's Masters of Arts in Nursing. If you're a nurse, please don't sleep on this opportunity. Take this chance and put yourself in a good position in the job market. Now, if you're a midwife and you also want to get your master's in public health, you can also take this opportunity and enroll in any of these UNICAF approved institutions. And if you are looking to doing it at Liverpool John Moores University, the choice is yours. You can also enroll in Suffolk University, and I've done a step-by-step video of how to do this right, because most of the time some of these applicants choose the Zambia campus instead of Liverpool John Moores University or Suffolk University. So if you are a midwife, the only option for you is to enroll in a master's program at Liverpool John Moores University or Suffolk University, and they are going to give you scholarship. Okay, now let's get back to business. Let's look at the cancellation policy. It says that all cancellation must be notified in writing by email to the Congress Management Secretariat. So some people are worried, what if I pay and I don't get the visa? What happens? So you are going to write that, hey, I applied, I didn't get a visa, or I have an emergency, I can't come. You send it to them and look at how they are going to reimburse it for you. So until 31st of December 2025, which is past, a €50 administrative fee will be deducted. And from January 1st 2026 until March 10th 2026, a 50% cancellation fee will apply. And from 11th March to the 13th of April, 70% cancellation fee will be applied. And after 14th of April, 100% cancellation fee will be applied. This means that you will not get anything. Now let's look at something more about the Congress fees and what it includes. So it says that admission to all the scientific sessions and exhibitions, you can also get access to Congress program book, abstract book, which you can download, a Congress bag, a hospitality bag, which include coffee breaks, lunches, welcome and opening ceremony. Let's look at the accompanying fees, what it includes. Attendance of the opening ceremony and welcome reception, coffee break and lunches, exhibition area, and it does not include attendance to any of the lectures. So when you go for these conferences, there will be sessions, there will be lectures, and if you are someone who paid €210, you will not have access to the lecture, but you can go walk around the exhibition area, go and explore Lisbon as well. Let's look at confirmation. Each participant will receive registration overview and email notification confirming receipt of payment. And let's look at the visa letter. People are concerned about that. It says that request a visa invitation letter are only available for fully paid registration. You can submit your request on the online portal. So when you register online, you get access to so many things. You can request and download your invitation letter there as well. A lot of you have done this. They've sent it to me that, hey Manuel, I have booked for the conference and this is my invitation letter. And two teams say, a lot of midwives will be there. Now there is going to be a certificate of attendance as well, and payment details. Let's look at it. And this has nothing to do with us. They also say that you can make an online payment, a bank transfer. You are going to get invoice for this. And note that if you are a group, you are going to get discount. So there is group registration discount there as well. There's a whole lot of things that we will enjoy when we attend this conference. And a lot of people will send me messages and be asking, if I pay this registration fee, am I going to get accommodation, transport, flight fees? Nigga, it doesn't come with that package. You have to look for your own accommodation, book your flight as well. So this is a good time. Write to your hospital management, tell them that this is happening. If you are a lecturer in school, tell your principal about it. They can give you sponsorship. Tell your boyfriends, tell your husbands. Write to corporate organizations to assist you. You know, some of these things can be expensive. If you convert them into Ghana cedis or Nigerian naira, it's going to be a lot of money. So try and seek for sponsorship and go and dig in your savings, because if you attend a conference like this, there is so much more to enjoy and you never regret attending this conference. Last year we went for the nurses version, which was the ICN in Helsinki. It was so much fun. I met so many people that I wouldn't have met if I hadn't attended. I met so many people and I was so happy. And that's it. That is the step-by-step simple guide on how to get your invitation letter to apply to be part of the ICM Congress, which will be happening in Lisbon, Portugal. Note that if you get a visa, you also get a chance to travel to all the Schengen countries, to have fun, to enjoy yourself, have some holidays before you go back to your country. And also remember that the early bird registration won't last forever. It ends on 3rd March, so you have to start preparing as soon as possible. Some of your colleagues have already taken action, and what are you doing? It's time for you to also take a bold step and invest in yourself. Whether you're a practicing midwife, a student, a lecturer, or anyone who is passionate about maternal health like me, this is the chance to gather, meet your peers, have fun, network, collaborate, and enjoy to the maximum. Don't just comment, I'll be there in Lisbon, and in reality, we will not find you. I'll see you in Lisbon. Peace.